in school when we are studying, then we get some holidays, right? Like this. Nice. So guys, I hope, are you done the assignment of login assignment? Are you done, guys? Login registration. I hope you're done. Hello. Can you hear me, guys? Hello. Mic is working, I hope.
Yeah, we can hear you.
Okay, okay. Right. Are you done, anyone? Application, login, registration? No? Yes? Come on, guys.
No.
Okay.
Login.
I think
Yes,
school
done.
holidays are you enjoyed, huh?
Yeah.
Right.
We'll try to do it as soon as possible.
Okay. So just actually what I'm expecting you people, okay, let me do this. So when I try to start my application, I want to see like this. First one is register. Second one is login. Third one is forgot password. Just I'm habituating writing a logic here. That's it. Right. Any websites, the CURD operations like insertion, updation, deletion, retrieval, right? Then if you see any application websites or any sites, if you want to register, registration will be there, login will be there, forgot password will be there. I hope you're understanding, right, guys? Now, forgot password and exit. This is what I'm expecting from you people. Got you? Yes. I hope is it clear?
Yeah.
What I'm expecting. So methods, when you try to choose a methods, guys, in the methods, just you can try to take like this. I'll try to give the register. Right. Then why register? The login. So Boolean verify login user. Verify the user otherwise. Got it? Verify the user. So what verify? String, email, and based on the email and password I want to verify, guys. Otherwise you can try to choose anything, username and password, your wish. This is one method. Forgot password. Okay, so based on the username, or sorry, based on the email I want to send back to my password. Okay, then what we can do that? What is the return type you can try to use, sir? String. Send a password. Are you clear? And string email. And using username and just email, once the email is matching, then I want to find out, and then we have to send the password. This is my what I given the assignment before holidays, Diwali, sorry. Yeah, not holidays there actually, right? Diwali. So this is what I expected from you people. If you design this application, maybe in the once you enter in the advanced, the same thing here in the Spring Boot or microservice also you can design. See any website, if you look at it, login, registrations, and forgot password. Then what I can try to say, guys, please, can you tell anything? Can I design or you'll try? Guys, can I design or you try?
I think we
Anyone?
can.
You can write? You can, or can I do that?
I want to try it.
Yes, very good. If people can try, guys. Okay, if you not come, don't worry. I'll use in the collections. I'll design it. Okay, you can try to use arrays and setters and getters. Okay, even parameterized constructor. whatever maybe you can try to use and you can try to design it. Okay, if I'm unable to do that, don't worry. Once I'm working with the collections, I will design this application once again. Okay, with collections. Same thing you can try to do that with Hibernate here in the coming days. Only thing is just few lines will be added. The logic will be same. That is the technique here. If you practice like this now onwards, advanced nothing is there here. Okay, let me stop it here. Let me move forward. Right. Let me start OOPS concept. So guys, object-oriented programming, right? OOPS is a methodology. What is that? OOPS is a methodology to develop software development application. OOPS is a methodology. OOPS is a methodology. OOPS is a methodology to develop software development application. Let me try to save it. Right. Now, right. Next. OOPS is a methodology to develop software development application. Okay. Now, OOPS is a methodology. We can say that generally, if you ask anyone, can you explain OOPS concept? I can try to say that methodology to develop software development application, software development application. Yes, it consists of principles. It consists principles like encapsulation, abstraction, inheritance, then polymorphism. So guys, not only this, these are the main pillars, of 4 pillars of the entire your the OOPS concept, guys. So once you're trying to speaking about it, you know that what is that object, and you had to know that what is class, yes or no? Yes, what is the class? What is the object, right? Then even you can try to say association, right? Association, class, object, encapsulation, abstraction, inheritance, and polymorphism, association. Even you can say that data hiding. So the data hiding of the data. What is a class? You know that class is a template to create a structure of a Java. Is a common class. It having a common properties. Class having common properties. Class having common properties. Okay, let me try. You know that objects. I don't want to talk about what is object. Okay, now let me try to speak about data hiding. Hiding of a data. Data cannot be accessed from the Java class. Okay, what is the data hiding? Hiding of a data. Data hiding. Hiding of a data. I can say that data cannot be accessed. Data cannot be accessed from Java class. Data cannot be accessed from Java class. So the data cannot be accessed in any other Java client. That information we can try to call data hiding. So for example, how can I try to hide the data? Using private keyword. Using private keyword. Private is an access modifier. Yes, ma'am. Private is the access modifier. If you specify before the variable, but a variable we can't access from the Java class. only that is specific to particular class only. Okay. Now, what about encapsulation? Encapsulating a data members and methods. Encapsulating data members and methods into single unit is called as encapsulation. Try to understand. Encapsulating the data members and methods. Encapsulating data members and methods into single unit is called as encapsulation. What is encapsulation? Encapsulating data members and methods into a single unit is called as encapsulation. Is called as encapsulation. Encapsulating data members and methods into a single unit is called as encapsulation. Is it clear? Encapsulation. Encapsulating data members and methods into single unit is called as encapsulation. Encapsulating a data members and methods into single unit is called as encapsulation. Is it done? So I can say that how can you try to encapsulate the data? And I can say that encapsulation is equal data hiding plus data abstraction. Even I can try to use the one more definition, guys. Wrapping a data members and methods into a single module, we can call encapsulation, like a capsule boss. Whatever is there, it can there is a capsule, right? In the capsule, it will be there. So every Java class, you should be make it. Let's try to make it as a encapsulator class. For example, let me show you guys practically. Then you'll understand. Right click on this, then new. Right. Look at now. Just I'm writing account. The class name is called account. Here, then just observe that I'm not writing anything here. Yeah. Now, private int account opening balance. Right. So is a private variable. This once you use a private variable before this variable, we can try to call data hiding. So this is the way the data will be hide. So this once a class having a private variables, that class we can try to call as a simple I'm saying a encapsulator class. Simple. I can say that as data hiding. It means that this variable cannot be accessed at any other Java class here. If you want to access, we can try to expose the data through using setters and getters. How to do this? Setter and getter method. Look at now. On this source generate getters and setters like this. Look at now. So and now we are trying to making the class is ఎవరా పుట్టారా ఎవరు now right click on this then encapsulator test. I can try to write account client. So this is encapsulated class. Okay, we can't access. Look at now. How can I try to access? Can I try to Can I try to access? No. Object we created. Can we try to access the variable? No. You cannot look at now. We can't access. How to access the information? Sir, just you can try to access using getter methods like this. And even if you want, you can try to set the value inside the variable using setter. Are you clear? This is the way. Now I can try to call as a account class is a encapsulator class. Everyone, is it clear, guys? Please. Yes. Guys, is it clear? So
Yes.
this called as encapsulator class. Simple. Hey, simple here. Once a class having a private variable, particular variable cannot be accessed in any other Java class. That's called that in the moment we can try to call as a encapsulator class. That's it. Nothing is there. Very simple. Next. Sir, what about next one? Right. Inheritance. I'll talk about inheritance, sir. Abstraction I'll talk later. What about inheritance? So inheriting parent class properties into a child class. What it mean by inheritance? Sir, for example, uh, can I try to access my neighbor properties? Yes. But just we have to use and we have to give back. But I want to access my neighbor assets. No, you can't. Why? Because her land, her building, how can I try to access? If I want to use that her building or some assets, then I have to go for some marry or some make a relation with her. Then only I can use those things. I can say inheritance. For example, I can access my father properties. Why? Because me and my father having a relationship, right? Charge it too. Nil this no, it आएगा. It is a relationship. So is a relationship nothing but inheritance. Are you clear? Inheritance is a relationship. That's it. So one class, I can say that inheriting parent class properties, inheriting a parent properties into a child class. Inheriting parent class properties into a child class is called as inheritance. Is a keyword. Extends is a keyword. Extend is a keyword. Extend is a keyword to make a relation between two classes. Extends is a keyword. Extends is a keyword to make a relation between two classes. One more time. Inheriting parent class properties into a child class is called as inheritance. Inheritance. Extends is a keyword. Extends is a keyword to make a relation between two classes. Extend is a keyword to make a relation between two classes. Extends is a keyword to make a relation between two classes. Extends is a keyword to make a relation between two classes. Yes, two classes. Okay, sure. Can you try to show that example? Class. We'll talk about examples here. First, let's see that. Now, so some properties, guys, here. Then class, the child, extending parent. So what will happen? The class parent and class child. So look at now. Parent class properties. Look at now. Parent class properties. Yes, we can try to use in child class. Parent class properties. Yes, we can try to use in child class. Is it clear? Yes. Parent class properties, yes, we can try to use in the child class. It's called as inheritance. Is it clear, sir, please? Yes. Inheriting, and it means the relationship, guys, because me and my wife having a relationship. So my wife properties I can try to access. My father and me having a relationship, then I can access my father properties. Is it clear now? Yes. Yeah.
Yes.
Single level in. So if you not understand, ask me, guys, anyone. So this is the right time, even if you not understand, don't worry, you can ask me again. I'll explain different angle, multiple inheritance. Level inheritance, single level inheritance, multi-level inheritance, multiple inheritance. Fourth and fifth. So single level inheritance, multi-level inheritance, multiple inheritance, and single level inheritance, multi-level inheritance, multiple inheritance, single level inheritance, multi-level inheritance, multiple inheritance, hierarchical inheritance. And sixth one, hybrid. Like this, we have a different types of inheritance out there. What about single level inheritance? Now, one class is extending another class. One class is extending another class is called as single level inheritance. One class is extending another class is called as, it's called as single level inheritance. What about multi-level inheritance? One class is extending hierarchical structure. It means that my grandfather properties can I try to access? My grandfather properties access to my father properties access to me, my properties can be accessed to my son. Are you clear? Hierarchical, multi-level inheritance. What about multiple inheritance? Multiple inheritance is not possible using a Java classes, but we can achieve using interfaces. It means that one class extending more than one class. For example, my sister trying to getting money from me and my brother. Are you getting my point? So that is not possible in the classes, but interface we can achieve it. I'll talk about later. Okay, let me talk about here single level. One class extends, extending another class, extending another class is called as single level inheritance. What about multi-level? It means that I told you very clearly, yes. I told you very clearly. For example, class animal, class dog extends animal. Are you clear? Yeah. This is what X only animal maybe can eat and like this. Then I can say better parent and child, father and child. Multi-level inheritance, hierarchical. So here the same example hierarchy, it means that one class is extending another class. In hierarchical, is called as multi-level inheritance. Animal, baby dog extending a dog. So grandfather, father and son. Are you clear? This is called as multi-level inheritance. Okay, next. Next, multiple inheritance. But generally, we never prefer to use this one, guys. Okay, let me do this. One class as extend more than one class is called as multiple inheritance. The practical, sir, just I'm giving understood theoretical points. Multiple inheritance. One class extend more than one class is called multiple inheritance. Multiple inheritance. It's not possible working classes, but we can achieve using interfaces. I'll talk about once I'm talking about interfaces. That's it. So for example, I told you very clearly. So assume that class A is there, class B is there. I have two separate classes. Then what I'm saying is the C, one more class. The C is extending a B and A. My sister taking money from me and my brother. Are you clear? It's not possible. That's what I'm saying is. I hope is it clear. What about hierarchical inheritance? Sir, hey, sorry, yeah, C extending A comma B. Right. So I hope you understand, right? Please, any questions? So for example, here class A is there. Okay. Now B, C. In this case, B extending A, C extending A. Yes, it's possible, right? This is called my father having two sons. Yes, I can do this. Yes, I can do this. Hybrid means the combination of hierarchical and what is that? Multiple inheritance we can call as a hybrid. It is not possible, sir. Okay, sir, what is the use of this inheritance, sir? Everything is fine, Shiva. I have a small question. What is the use? What is the use of inheritance? Reusability. Use very important, guys. Reusability. What is the use of this? Reusability. Try to understand. What is the use of this one? Reusability. What is the use of reusability? Yes, I can try to use whenever I require. What is meaning of reusability? See, let me give the example. I have a class name is called book. Book having ID, name, price, the type, what type of book it is. Sir, every year we try to release some annual edition books here. Annual edition books. So what is the annual edition book? Come on, guys, tell me. What does it mean by annual edition book? So here I can say ID. And who are purchasing annual edition book? We are giving 20% discount. I understand. Who are purchasing annual edition book? You are giving a discount. Okay. So every year we are releasing some special edition book. Special edition book, then CDs. Are you clear? So who every year we are trying to discount annual edition book and next one special edition book CDS. Are you clear now, please? Yes or no? Annual edition book discount and special edition book CDs. Are you clear now? Yes. Sir, one thing. And sir, if you are purchasing, you went a shop and you are asking, hey, can you provide a special edition book? Yes, but he will say that which book you want, Shiva, what type of book it is, and how much price for that book, and also he will explain. Then he will say that I'll give one CD if you purchase that book. Are you getting my point? So it means that we have to repeat again book name, price, and type, and every class or not? Yes or no, guys? Please. Yes or no? Yes, Shiva. We
Yes.
have to repeat it. But instead of using again and again each and every class, can we do the extend keyword? Yes or no? You can try to use extend keyword. Yeah, simple. And that's it. So that what is the properties you have in the book class, we can try to use it. This is one example, sir. Are you clear? Are you understand, boss? What is inheritance?
Yeah.
Right.
Yes.
Next. Simple, guys. Very simple. This look like hierarchical, right? Okay. Next. Sir, one thing. Employee. The first name and last name. Sir, assume that one organization, people are working like contract employee and salary employee. Then what is a contract employee? Come on, guys. Contract employer, salary employee also having first name or not, last name also, guys, right? The salary will be paid based on the hours. Are you understand? Salary employee, it will be stayed then based on month. Just understanding purpose, guys. The first name and last name is common for contract employee and salary employee. Is it required to specify again first name and last name each and every employee level? Not required. Are you clear, everyone? Yes or no? Guys? Yes?
Yes.
Super. This is what you can do it, friends. Nothing is there. This is a small technique, guys. This is called inheritance. Wow. Let me do this. So like this, whenever you're having required, you are trying to you want to be use a common properties irrespective of the Java class, more than one Java classes continuously in the moment we try to go for inheritance. Otherwise, we not required. See, only some properties I want to use in a particular Java class. Address is there, sir. Address I want to use only one employee class. Only some location. Then you can try to not required to extend keyword. Just you can try to use object create and you can access. That is called association. That is called has a relationship. We will talk later. Okay, fine. Let's come to here. Next. Till now is clear. Please account client. Now, okay. Now let me do this book. Yes. Now I know the rules. I have to apply the rules. Okay. Name. Time. So private variables. So private variables, it means the setters and getters. Private variables, it means the encapsulated class or not? Yes. So these variables can we access in the subclass? No, you can't. Right? How can you access, ma'am? Getters and setters. Or you can try to use parameter constructor also, boss. You can do like that also. Your wish. Are you clear? Yes. Now,
Yes.
annual edition book. Edition book. Extending. Then book. Simple, boss, but try to do one application at least. You'll understand. Right. So that you're not required to use those variables because setters and getters available here annotation book so that I can access those properties. Are you clear? Yes. Oh, discount. Discount. Because remaining properties anyway is available. Setters and getters, I can access those methods. Using getter method, I can try to get the data of the private the variables, and using setter, I can try to set the value so that we are not required to worry about it. This is a systematic way of designing, guys. Date encapsulated class and everything should be followed then. Right. Let's try to do this specialization book. Specialization book extending which class? Because we are getting a CD, right? Right, madam? I think everyone is clear. That's it. This is the point, guys. Nothing is there. Then now you can write the client application. I'm taking a main because still we are in the learning level, right? Now you can write it, guys. What I can write now? So which book you wanted? Annualization book you wanted. Right. AE dot set book ID. Book name. Book type. Or discount. Are you clear? Yes. Are you understand now how to access getter method? Simple way I'm showing you guys. I'm not writing any logics here. Done. So we are setting and we are getting. Sir, important here is how I manage three different classes. That's important. Are you clear now, please? Discount,
Yeah.
book type, book price, like this. I'm not decorated, guys. Just I want to understand this concept. That's my target. So special book, it means a special book, you can write it again back. Are you understand now? Yes, inheritance. I hope you got a clarity. Inheritance nothing but the class properties we can use in the child class. So if you're using private keyword, we can't use directly, sir. So what we can do that generally setters or getters, or you can try to use parameterized constructor and you can try to use it. This is a simple technique. Yes, nice. I hope you got it. Yeah. Next. Bank client as the bank and int get rate of interest. Right. So I'm not providing any interest here. Class extend extending a bank. So what I can do this now, you can try to use this method again. Fine. Right. Class done. You can try to see now hierarchical, right? Right. Output is not important. Try to understand inheritance, extends keyword, making a relationship like this. Are you understand, guys? Please. Yes. Are you clear?
Yeah.
Right. Okay. Next. Sir, next, just practice these things here. Mm, I think daylight savings are started right today. The time is also changed. Yeah. Is this? Okay. See how to upload. Someone is pinging me here. How to upload, right? Okay, let's see this. Mm. Here, see, you can try to upload like this. If you want to upload the files, just attachment will be there here. See, attach file. Click here, upload from your computer. Like this, you can do it. Understand? I hope you got it right. How to upload? See, for example, inheritance. Okay, I want to send this file. Look at now. Upload from my computer. Then I can say this is the way. Wait. Yes, like this.
Sir,
I-
we don't have that option in our teams. We don't have
It
the
gives, yeah, you can also option here. I hope.
We don't have that option. I don't see it.
Oh, I don't know. Blake, is not possible to the people to upload?
They cannot upload so because they are guests. They are not like Takeo
Okay.
members. Yeah.
Okay, got you. So okay, otherwise what you can do is, ma'am. Okay, I'll tell you. So are you having a GitHub account? Okay, let's
Yes.
see that. Okay, let's see this. I'll tell you. Let's try to create your github.com. Just github.com so that you can try to store your files. Just you can share the link. That's enough. I'll show you then. See now, and I'm sure this is my GitHub. You can create your GitHub account. Otherwise, if you have it, okay, fine. Otherwise, don't worry. Just create one account. Otherwise, I'll take one session, sir. At least a basic session, I'll take it this Friday. I'll tell you how to upload it. Okay. Oh, mobile. I don't have it now. Mobile. Okay. Okay. So anyway, I'll tell you, sir. I hope you have an idea about this one. GitHub. Okay, don't worry. Friday, I'll tell you,
Yeah.
ma'am, how to upload in GitHub. Present my mobile also is not with me. Okay, I'll take it. So what I do is I'll take one session of GitHub, then you can try to push your code in the GitHub. How to push the code in the GitHub, I'll explain it. So what are the code you are designing? What are you are trying to working on this example? Just you can try to put it in your repository so that just if you give the link of the repository, that's enough to me. For example, one of our student is one of our friend is given. I'll tell you. Mm. Okay, anyway, I'll take one session, sir, so that you'll see now. This is the GitHub account, Sarup account. So if I click here, I can go directly is the account and I can try to see his code. Are you getting my point? So this is the way I can try. Here just observe that here whatever he done assignments and he uploaded array row sum like this. So that just if I click here, I can watch like this. You understand? I'll show you then how to do this one, guys. I'll show you then how to push in the GitHub. I'll explain one session. We'll plan, right? Okay. Thank you, guys. Let's try to work on this. That tomorrow we'll try to meet. Yeah, Blake, can you plan at least half an hour before the daylights have started, if it's possible? Yeah.
Guys, so would half an hour like earlier classes be okay with you guys?
It sounds good.
Yeah, that's fine with me.
So the classes will begin at 8:30, guys.
Okay.
Okay, that sounds good.
Yeah, I hope everyone is fine, right?
Yes.
8:30 to
Yes.
time is 9:30.
8:30, 9:30, 10. I just can assume that 1.5 hour. 1 hour to 1.5 hour. According to the topic, okay?
Okay,
Yes,
that's
sure.
fine.
Yeah. If I feel that is more content is there, then I'll stop in a 1 hour. No less content, then I'll continue 1.5 hour. That's the plan, okay? We don't
Okay,
want to see the
that's fine.
burden, that's it. We have to learn, enjoy, Narayana. You understand, right? Subject we should be learn the for the fun basis, not like sitting like in school days how we did like this. Not then only we'll enjoy.
Yes.
Otherwise we'll get a bore. You know, keep on I'm
Okay.
saying that, right? Without you practice, then what will happen? Oh, okay, it like this. Okay, I'll take care of it. Just plan for 1.5 hour. Maybe if you require 1 hour, 1 hour plus 1 hour 50, 1:30, I will take care of it according to the topic. Right. Collections anyway, I have to take 1.5 hours so that I can complete it 3 days. Otherwise, it takes 1 week. Like that is the way we'll do the plan. You understand, right? The collection framework, if I'm tracking, then definitely 1.5 hour I'll take it. 1.5 hour if you require 10 minutes more only, so that I can complete early. Then there is so many Java classes will be there in the collection framework. Right. Okay, guys. We'll stop it here and we'll meet again back tomorrow. Then we try to continue, guys. I think everyone is okay. Then 30 minutes before we'll meet because the daylights are changed, guys. Just 30 minutes before we'll start. We'll continue. Thank you, Blake. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you.